How to fix Instagram message not sending on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram message not sending on Android or iOS phone. First, open settings and then scroll down until you find here battery. Now make sure power saving mode is disabled, and now just go back, restart your phone and try again. Turn off your Wi-Fi and turn it on again, and if that also doesn't fix it, now just uninstall your Instagram and install it again, or again just check if there is any update and then update your Instagram. And I hope that can fix your problem, and see you in the next video.